Or so if you already have one X account but need another, in this video I'll quickly show you how to create a second account without logging out from the previous one. So let's jump in. So first open the X app, tap on your profile pic in the top corner. Now tap on this plus icon, and then from this pop-up choose Create New Account. Enter your name, and then add your email address. Make sure it's not used or synced with any X account right now. And then select your date of birth, and then just tap Next. Now, you'll receive a verification code in your email. Just put it in here to verify yourself, and then tap Next. Now you're going to create a passcode with at least 8 characters or more. So once you're done, tap Enter. Now next, you can select a profile picture from your gallery or camera roll. Now, you can also skip this part and do it later in the settings. Totally your call. If you've selected a photo, just tap Apply after that and press Next. Now you're going to choose your X username. You can select one of these recommended options, or you can just manually set your own depending on its availability. When you're done, just tap Next and then Continue. You'll see an option to share your contacts if you want. Choose your preference. After that, you'll get some follow suggestions on your screen. Just go through this prompt and then select your recommended topics by choosing your interests. You'll also see a recommended follow list. Now, you're going to just follow at least one account to move forward. And that's it. You'll end up on your newly created account's newsfeed or home screen. Your account is created, you can explore, and anytime you want, you can switch between your older account and the new one directly from your profile section. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.